Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and connections. Plug the original cable into a verified 5V/1A or stronger adapter. Make sure the adapter is in a working outlet. Once connected, look into the port with a flashlight and remove lint carefully with a wooden toothpick. If the LED or device shows any sign of life, note its color and pattern. This informs the next step. If nothing happens, swap to another cable and outlet to isolate cable versus charger issues. Once you've isolated the cable and outlet, force a reset to clear firmware hiccups. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, then try the power plus volume sequence if your model supports it. After resetting, leave the Solo 3 on charge for 30 to 60 minutes because deeply discharged batteries need time to register. Make sure you hear any faint charging clicks and watch the LED color. This helps determine if the battery or charging circuit is responding before moving to repair. If charging still fails after resets and cable swaps, open the hinge only if you have basic electronic skills. Look for loose solder, corroded contacts, or a damaged charging port. Replace the port assembly or battery using exact replacement parts. Do this only if comfortable because improper work can worsen damage. If you prefer not to open it, take it to an authorized service center. One key tip: if symptoms are intermittent, reflowing or resoldering the charging contacts often restores a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.